Digital multimeter. Measure DC voltage. Measure AC voltage. In auto mode, the device automatically detects DC or AC voltage, resistance, and continuity. When in voltage or resistance ranges, it records the maximum and minimum values measured during the test. Resistor. Zener diodes. Capacitor. No need for shift measurement. Capacitor breakdown or short circuit. Click Save to enter the recording mode and record the real-time measurement. The data will be saved when clicking again or exiting the application. The saved data can be viewed by clicking the upper right corner.